All right, this is Jason Fox, People's Home Equity. I have a lot of people asking me for a payment app, and I have my own. So wanted to give you a demonstration on how it works. Okay, so when you get a text message from me, it will come into your inbox. It looks something like this. Okay, you're gonna click on that. And you're gonna click on it again. It's gonna take you there. Okay, so we want to look right here. Add to home screen. Add to home screen right here in the middle. Okay, name it what you want. Payments. Add. I'm going to go back. Right here it is. Payments. Click on that. Asking for your name. I already have this, so I don't want to do it again. Email optional. Register. Voila. And there you go. And if you want to run your payments, you can click right here where it says calculator. Purchase calculator. FHA. You can put 409, 3.5% down, interest rate. Let's go with 4%. Taxes a year, 3,800. First time home buyer, yes. Calculate. Voila. There's your payment. It's that easy, guys. Call me if you have any questions.